Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Johnson. I wanted to talk about your final project for Mathematica this semester. Because of the way this semester has gone, it's a little bit going to be abbreviated and a little bit shorter, so that should help you a little bit. Go into the course content folder and in the very top up here, Mathematica submitted student work. And you'll see that the final project is here. So for this semester, because of this craziness that we've had to deal with this semester, it's a little bit edited here, and I've done a lot of the code for you. So what I'd like you to do, if you can see two things here, one is a PDF of the instructions for the project, and the other one is the code for the project. So I'm going to actually click on the second one first, which is the Mathematica code. Once I do that, you'll see Mathematica comes up. And so I want you to actually, I did a lot of the coding here for you, and you're going to do a lot of the analysis. So let me bring this down so you can see this a little bit. So here is the file, and what you're going to do here is you're going to hit evaluation and then evaluate the notebook, and you'll see these little things right here. This is making the thing go into your Mathematica file. So if you notice, I did a lot of the code here for this final project, so you guys won't hopefully get bogged down in the coding of this. So I did a lot of the coding, although you can still use your Mathematica manual to look at how I did this. And what you're going to be doing is inserting the analysis of this function. So in here, you're going to be doing your inserting text boxes and text regions to do some analysis. I'm going to minimize this for now to go back in here. And you'll notice this other file is the PDF of the actual project. Notice this is due Friday, May 1st. And because I've done a lot of the code for you, I don't feel bad about this because you guys will be just doing the analysis and you won't have to worry so much about the coding. So those instructions are right here. You can read them. I won't go through all of them. I want you to please read all of these instructions clearly. Make sure you read everything to see what I'm expecting. I also attached a rubric of what I'm going to be looking for. You can use your Mathematica manual to help you with this. Matter of fact, there are certain things, creating a summary table, you have to look in the manual to do that. And then this just goes through more of the rules that I'm looking for. I want technical writing, no pronouns, personal pronouns being used, and I want it to be a Mathematica notebook, no college peer. No one can help you with this except for yourself. You're supposed to be working alone and do your analysis and so forth. So I just wanted to put up a quick video and have you read this and get associated with this, download this file and start working on this. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me and contact me or come see me during Zoom hours this week. Stay well and stay safe.